Today on the Boat Show, we're going to take you out on a ride on the brand new Jaguar J43. It's a world champion powerboat. Now to start this Jaguar, quite simple. With a hit with a button. Now on the platform of this Jaguar, you can have it fully customized. It can be equipped for fishing or pleasure cruising. At the moment, we have a bench seat for about 3 to 4 people. Now this boat, equipped with the 2.7 Marines, can reach a top speed of 105 miles per hour. It'll cruise between 55 and 60 miles per hour. Now the test run that we had on the Jaguar J43 was equipped with 2.7 Marines, but the boat can actually be equipped with triples or quads, depending on the size and power that the customer wants. And the cockpit of this J43, they have equipped it for fishing. There is rod holder, a very steady bar to hold on to, a live bait well, and a small tackle centre. The floor of the platform of this catamaran is about a foot off the tunnel, which makes it self-bailing. From the waterline down, this boat is true race boat, and on the top it's fully customised to the customer's requirement. Now that we're safely out of port with this J43, we're going to put the handles down to see how she reacts. She is a champion boat, so I'm expecting a good speed. Oh wow, it's instant. We're at 3,500 RPM and we just hit 50 knots. Now the whole of this Jaguar J43 was world champion, class number 1. And you can really feel it. The power is instant. The way it handles, great. It doesn't take long to reach top speed on this boat. Power with the 2.7 Marine engines, with 627 horsepower each, it'll take between 20 to 25 seconds to reach top speed. So it's not long at all. The hull on this boat is fuel efficient. Even turning this catamaran is quite easy, very smooth. Now when you're in the turn, even at 40 miles per hour, the boat is very stable. She sits straight. You can hear her slightly sloping in the turn, but she's always flat. Now this is a stepped haul. It has a 20-degree dead rise with pads at 7. So when you're up to speed, the only thing that's hitting the water are the pads. Now we just finished our tour of the brand new Jaguar J43. Well, what can I say? It's a racing platform which can be modified for your enjoyment, out with the family, down to the sandbags or fishing. So if you're out in the market looking for a very fast cat to enjoy with your family or fishing with your friends, you should check out the new Jaguar J43. Until next time, see ya.